Hey, folks, this is Wesley billion dollar virgin. I'm going to show you right now. Hey, wake up. Look, this is crazy here because I'm going to show you basically how to absolutely do nothing, okay? And make money with these 2 apps. It's 3 apps actually, okay? So the thing is, I want you to really pay attention to this video here. And I want you to write these apps down. And yes, I'm going to show you undeniable proof right now. And I know a lot of you are like, no, Wesley, this is not going to work. Listen, the internet industry is real. Internet marketing, digital marketers, this is real. People are actually making tons of money. The problem with a lot of you is like, it's something, a part of your brain that says BS. No, this is impossible. Scam. And listen, with that type of mindset, you'll never realize how easy it is to make money online. So I'm gonna ask you, as you listen to this video, it's gonna take me about 5 minutes. I'm gonna show you how to use the apps. I use them for myself. They won't make you rich, but it will be extra income based off doing absolutely nothing every single day of your life. Is that cool? Let's go! Okay, let me turn the video around. Here we go. Let's go. Now check it out. This is my YouTube channel, so listen. Go ahead and smash the like button. Sub to the channel if you want videos every single day, which I would do for you. I do this for you. Okay, Big? I do this for you. So show me some love, because I love you. Okay? So the first app is this. So imagine this. This is called lifecoin.com. Listen. Go to your app. Go to the app store. Okay? Type in Lifecoin. Okay? That's all you got to do. And they're going to pay you to walk. Right? You see this? These people will pay you to walk. All right? How many of you walk at your job? How many of you walk at the gym? How many of you walk because you don't have a car? Okay. Well, download the app. All right? And basically, they pay you out in ways that you can get free gift cards. You can get free iPhones. Right? You can get a free iPad. I mean, listen, I give a lot of gift cards away. These type of sites here is the reason why I get this stuff for free. And listen, I don't even walk a lot. But when I do, I make a little change. Or I get these gift cards. I get a PayPal card so I can give to you. Does that make sense? So do it for yourself. Go ahead and smash that like button if you're going to get Lifecoin right now today on your Android or your iOS phone right now. Let's get it, baby. Listen. Next app. Smart app. I know what you guys thinking. You're like, man, Wesley, I love you so much because I didn't realize that internet marketers are making this type of money. Listen, internet marketers are not just making a lot of money based off of big, huge products. What we do is we make money off of passive income, which means I would take little companies, small companies like this. This is small money, but yet it pays me and that money adds up. But the great thing about it, I'm in my bedroom. You see my feet right there? I'm not working and slaving, right? I'm relaxed and I'm making money like this. Let me show you something. Look at that. That's $82,000, right? This month alone, September 28th. Let me do a refresh just in case you guys think I'm lying. Look at this. Let me show you something. Let me pause for a second because I want you to understand who you're dealing with here, okay? You're dealing with Wesley Wesley billion dollar virgin. Let's get it. And I know how to make that money, and I know how to help people like you make that money too. You see that? That's 91928. I have over 15 companies online, and as you can see here, so far this month it's been $82,000. What does that mean? Wesley Virgin is going to have a great Christmas this year. That's $82,000. Why? Because I pay attention, right? I listen, and I take massive action. So listen, how many of you going to download Smart App? It's so easy to do. You go to the App Store and you download it and you click on I like to sign up. You have to take a quick survey. Based off the survey, boom, you pass it. It's very easy to do. And what they're going to do is they're going to basically monitor the things that you do online, right? And they're just going to pay you every single day. It's free money. And this is what some of the members are saying about it. They love it. Look, this old man here, he's retired, but he just makes free money from this app. this young lady's a single mom. I mean, listen, like I said before, you're not going to get rich, but an extra 100, 200, even 20 bucks based off doing nothing is okay to me. Listen, I'm a millionaire, okay? I average $1 million per month, and I don't say that to brag or boast, but I say this: even I would download this app. As a matter of fact, it's on my phone right now. Why? Because I don't care if it's a penny. Money is money, and I understand money is acquired through creating several sources of income. Does that make sense? All right. So go ahead and smash the like button, and go ahead and tell your boy Wesley Virgin I love you, Wesley. Keep doing this. Listen to this. This is crazy, right? Now, it's a website called SlideJoy. This is number 3. Pay close attention, please. SlideJoy. So you go to the App Store, and you know your little lock screen that's on your iPhone or your Galaxy phone? So imagine basically downloading this app, and on your app screen, they're going to show you advertisement, and they're going to pay you. They're going to pay you to basically swipe left, slide up, slide right. That's insane, right? Listen, you can't tell me that you can't make money online. You can't tell me that right now you can take action with this and start seeing some dollars come into your bank account and PayPal accounts, okay? Listen, if CNET and Business Insider, if these guys can do it, why can't you do it, okay? Listen, you can either keep the money in the PayPal, it's up to you, or you can be like me. I just donate all the money. I just give it away. Because I make a ton of money already. I mean, have you not seen the $82,000 here? I mean, that's not like a lot of money, but it's okay. You can live a decent life, okay? So, that's basically it, guys. That's how you make the money. Now, listen, if you want to make money like this, $82,000 here per month, I have a link in the description under this video right here. As you decide to go ahead and smash the like button because I gave you massive value, I will leave a link, and it shows you, listen, exactly how to make $10,000 per month from your bedroom, okay? Let me say it again, $10,000 per month. And let me tell you my story here for some of you that thought I was always rich. Listen, look. I wasn't always rich, okay? I wasn't always this fabulous, believe it or not. But listen, and I want to talk from the heart. The one thing that I had to do that was tough for me was to believe that it was possible for me. I don't know who I'm talking to right now, and that was hard. Because I grew up on the south side of Houston, Texas. My parents never made more than $20,000 a year. My mom made $9 an hour. My dad, he's a pastor of a church, small church. They make a lot of money. As a matter of fact, my dad has seizures, so he get like disability checks every month. But he's still a strong, powerful man. And I tell you that why I am right now, like honestly, like the life that I have right now, I'm blessed. I'm grateful. And I do these type of videos to let you know that, guess what? You're blessed too. You just don't see it. You keep perceiving your world as if your world is throwing daggers at you. And guess what? Life is hard. It's tough. You're going to have challenges, adversities. You're going to have things you believe in so wholeheartedly, and you're going to find out you shouldn't believe in those things, right? There's things right now that you believe about yourself that are debilitating you, that's keeping you from living the life you deserve to have. But the toughest thing for all of us, even you, where you are right now, is to believe that you can have this magical, surreal life. And a magical, surreal life is being able to do what you want to do. You know what I did this morning? I got up. I gave praises to the Most High. God is the greatest. I meditated. I went to the gym. My chef made my meal. I took off all my clothes. I took a shower here. And I jumped in my bed. Butt naked, baby. Because I'm free. Look at me. I'm free. And that's what I want for you. I want you to become free, but you got to take action. You got to believe in yourself. Look, I believe in you. You can do this. I want everybody that's listening to this video, and this is impromptu. I didn't plan it like this. Listen, you can do this. Yes, it's going to be tough. Yes, you're going to want to quit. Yes, you're going to get tired. You're going to get irritated. Sometimes you're going to cry. But it doesn't mean that it's not possible for you. I don't care where you are. I don't care if you're in Africa, India. I don't care if you never had a father. You didn't have a mother. You had no support system. Listen, it's still possible. I didn't have a support system. People said that I would never do great things based off my piss poor attitude, because I was the man or the little boy that was always getting in trouble. I never listened to people, even in high school, middle school. My life was tough. I spent nights in jail based off of stupidity. I got kicked out the military because I wanted to do things my way. And guess what? I still made $1 million. I still bought 7 cars. I got 7 cars. I got a Lamborghini. I got 2 Lamborghinis. And I'm not trying to brag, but I'm just trying to let you know, based off all those things that I went through, that I put myself through, I still won. I got 2 places to live. I got one in Houston, and I got a bad place in Miami, in a Porsche Tower. It's gorgeous. I got a jacuzzi on my balcony. I bought my parents a car each. I told my parents, don't work ever again. I told them, I said, hey, today's your last day. You'll never have to work another day in your life. Because Wesley Virgin, your son, I'm going to take care of you forever. See, that's what I'm trying to suggest to you, that it's still possible. It doesn't matter, because some of you look at your problems. You know, you look at all your issues, you're like, man, life sucks. I hate my life. Why is it not working, right? That's what you keep saying. How many of you are saying, why is it not working for me? It is working. A lot of you every day, I know, you're consciously trying to raise the bar every day, right? And the problem is you keep looking at the bar. Stop looking at the bar and just get to work. That's almost like trying to plant a tree and every day looking at the tree, waiting for the tree to grow. It won't grow in your eye. Listen, your job, if you ever want to be rich financially, is to focus on the activity and the outcome, not watching and hoping that the bar or the flower is going to grow. Every day you can't say, well, I did this today and tomorrow my life still sucks. Listen, focus on the activity. That's what I do. I focus on the activity. I give value to the world. I give value to you. And I'm not thinking about what's not happening, because I know it's happening. I love you. Smash the like button for me. Get to work. Trying it. Listen, if you want me to help you to make $10,000 per month, if you're serious about it. Now, if you're a BSer, don't click that link below. If you're lazy, don't click that link below. If you're a person that just, you haven't made the decision that you're ready to sacrifice some of the debilitating, innovating habits that you have currently right now, don't click the link below. Listen, but if you're ready to learn what you need to learn to be able to create a magical life, baby, and I'm talking about traveling the world, I'm talking about taking care of your family properly, I'm talking about every day waking up with a smile on your face. You're like, yes, baby, yes, let's go. Is that what you want? You want to experience happiness 95% of your day? I'm your guy. But listen, you got to have a high work ethic with me, baby. You got to be enthusiastic if you want to work with me. I don't care if everything around you is not working. You better have a smile on your face, baby, to work with me. Because that's the name of the game. Attitude is going to determine your altitude in life. I love you. This is Wesley, $1 billion Virgin. Go ahead and like and share this video. Let's go! Motivated! dedicated leg out.